My name is Sonia Pawar and I'm coming from Bombay. Basically, today I'm here to share the blessings that I've got from Light a Candle Prayer Request. Now, this was told to me by my friend Christina, and I'll explain it once again to you all. It was about one of the project to buy my own house. I stay on a rental apartment in Bombay. I wanted my own house, so I invested some money there. And because of me, one of my family friends also invested money there, and they invested around 80 lakhs. Later, a year post-COVID, we got to know that the whole project is a scam. Altogether, there are 16 people who paid the money, and that was around 2 crores of scam. So that was a very hard time to understand that the money that we invested is completely gone. We are not going to get the money, not we are going to get the house. So we had to lodge a complaint against that man to whom we paid the money. And again, running to police station, lodging a complaint, following up with the police on a daily basis, talking to a lot of other people about it, doing a lot of research about this man who did this scam so that we get some way to get our money back. But nothing worked. Now this man, he's still in jail. And just recently we got to know that his left leg has been affected by gangrene, so maybe his left leg would have to be cut. But the case is still going on. The stress that I had through this case has been lower down. I am not getting any stress through this because I kept this in prayer. Every now and then I had to run to the court, to the police station, which was very hectic for me. Yeah, I requested a light a candle prayer, and due to which I saw this change. I got these blessings, okay, wherein all this pressure was lower down. My work started again, which was actually disturbed because of this for a year. So as I said, I'm a teacher. My classes just started again. There are a lot of batches full. I have no time now, which last 2 to 3 years I was completely off with my work. I had no money, no work. So after this prayer request, keeping this into prayer, every morning I used to go through the prayer while the day, whenever I used to get the time. I saw this miracle, this change in my life. Yeah, about the case, I would say the case is still on. Nothing has been solved yet. But yeah, I'm still praying that I should have my own house in Bombay because I still stay on rent. And I would just give it in God's hand, let Mother Mary decide what is good for us. And the second blessing that I got, it is about my son. All of a sudden he stopped talking to me. There was a lot of distance created between him and me. And then one day I just forced him that you download the prayer, keep it in prayer. So I told my son to keep this into prayer request. And I basically forced him to do the prayer. He was not willing to do it. But yeah, keeping my words in mind, he did the prayer, and I did see a change in him. He got his job in Reliance as a cinematographer. All the bad companies or friends got cut off from him. Today he's focused. He knows his vision, what he has to do. Recently he completed a Sri Lanka trip. That was his first international trip. And there are a lot of other miracles taking place in my life on a daily basis. Lot of, maybe small things, but yeah, they make a huge impact on your life. So every day I can see some miracle because I always keep praying. And if I get stuck somewhere, I just, call upon Mother Mary's name. And I'm like, if it is good for me, I'll let it happen. Yeah, so that's how I'm here today to share my experience. And I thank you, God, for all the blessings that I've got.